was on YouTube. Watch the TY38. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. We done made it to this first stop out here, man. We done did this Land Rover Defender 110 edition. It literally took me an hour and a half to do it. I probably been here about 9 o'clock, it's already 10 o'clock. You know what I mean? It probably got about like 8:45, but the car's completely done. We already washed the car, we already did the interior of the car, we already did everything. So right now we about to go ahead and just give you a quick glimpse of the whole car, stuff like that. Show you what the car looked like. You know what I mean? It was pretty dirty in here. He's a smoker and he literally has cigarette ashes everywhere, so it took us a little bit while. You know how the car got a lot of white down to do. So, but we got the car looking good, man. I know you're definitely gonna be happy with the work. Definitely gonna be enthused with the work, and we take so much pride over here. But already the pollen's dropping on the car. That pollen is heavy, you know what I mean? But that's nothing too serious, you know what I mean? Just something people have to deal with if they know that it's spring. But we're about to head to the next stop, which is probably about 10-15 minutes from here, man. So I'm about to hop in the vehicle, get there, you know. But like always, you already know, man. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're not, hit it anyway. If you're used to being here, subscribe. Comment, like, share. You know the script, man. I'ma do what I gotta do, so do what you gotta do. Or you do what you gotta do, and I'ma do what I gotta do. And on that note, like always, man, stay dedicated, and I'ma catch y'all in a minute, bitch. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We done made it to this second stop. We out here doing this Jeep Grand Cherokee right now. I'm already finished one side of the car. Right now we're gonna work on this side of the car. This lady actually paid for this car to get done a while back. But you know, you look in the interior. Once again, you got your typical debris because you got kids. So we're gonna get in here in detail. Well, not detail. We're just gonna vacuum it up real good. Because if you look over there how it look, you know what I mean, real nice and vacuumed up and stuff. Got the seats clean. So we're gonna get over here and do the same thing. Remove the trash, clean the doors, clean the seats, wipe off the seats real good, clean the cup holders, things like that. And then once we're done with the interior of the car, we're gonna work on the exterior of the car, and then we done. Then we got 2 more stops to make for the day. And then we're gonna go relax. It's a beautiful day. You see the sky's nice and clear.
It would turn into sunshine.
So like always, man, you do what you gotta do. Y'all already know I'm gonna do what I gotta do. Stick to the script. Pay attention to what's going on, man. Like my godfather used to always tell me, man, get to the point and the closed mouth don't get fed. And I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We didn't finish this second car today, man. Knocked out this Jeep Cherokee car, looked great. It was a little dirty when we first got in here, but you already know ain't nothing we can't handle over here. Straight professional with these hands. But you see it, man, got the carpet looking good, things like that, wipe down the doors, stuff like that. We definitely got the car. They definitely got the car looking good, you know what I mean? Wipe down everything, seats and everything. But we're about to get ready to head to the next spot, probably about 15 minutes from here. And then we got one more stop after that. But we're gonna continue to enjoy this beautiful day. The clouds starting to come, but that ain't nothing, man. But I hope you stay committed to whatever you got going on in life. Do not give up. When you feel like you want to give up, go fucking harder. Excuse my language. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. We done made it to the third appointment. Right now I'm about to do this Mercedes Benz. We're gonna get in here, get in the interior. I already got the brushes, all purpose out. So we're gonna get in here and vacuum it. Little dog there, so we're gonna make sure we get the lily brush. But you already see it, man. It's gonna be a little task, but ain't nothing we really can't handle over here. So we're gonna go ahead and get in here and, you know, hit it with that rakata and all that. But like always, man, stay dedicated and we're gonna do the same. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. I hope you're having a glorious day, man. Today's beautiful. It just started raining for a little bit. See, it got a little cloudy, but it cleared up. But we finished this BMW GLS 450. Got the whole car done in and out. I remember y'all know what it looked like. The tires had that brown look. Dog hair was everywhere. You know what I mean? So we just got in here and got it knocked out. So remember all the dog hair was back there. So car came out fine. We about to go ahead and let her know we finished and get paid. But we about to get to this last stop. You know, she was just talking about it was raining by her house, but she lived right around the corner, so I don't understand that. But always stay dedicated. Do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do, and I'm gonna catch you at the next one. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. We done made it to this last stop of the day. We doing this GMC Yukon Denali, and we already started on the other side, but we're gonna go show you what the rest of the car look like. You look, definitely got debris everywhere, all in the carpet, all under the seats, all on the seats, all on the panels, all in the doors. You know, so, but nothing we can't handle over here. You know what I mean? You see what it look like. Got chips and all this type of stuff in the seats. You know what I mean? But if you look over there, we already got the back that done, and over here and over there. We just need to finish this side of the car, and then we done. We're gonna wash it, get it done, then we're gonna head home. It's already like 4 or 5 o'clock. I don't even know because I ain't paying attention to the clock. But it's been a little raining on and off, so I'm trying to hurry up and finish before if it do come down. But like always, do what you gotta do. Y'all already know I'm gonna do what I gotta do. So I'm gonna catch y'all at the next one. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. Now we only gonna do the interior this Denali, man. I've been here already for over 2 hours, and I got things that I need to do today. So I gotta come back here anyway Sunday to do her husband's car. So I told her I'll watch the exterior of this car when I come back. But we're completely done here. We got the car looking up to par, looks great. She's definitely gonna be enthused with the work like always. But we about to head out of here. Like I said, I didn't watch the exterior of the car, so we're not even gonna worry about it. But on that note, man, like always, one love, do what you gotta do. Cause y'all already know that I'm gonna do what I gotta do, man. I'm gonna always stick to the script. And I'm gonna always do my due diligence, man. I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna do what I need to do. That's gonna keep me on track and what's gonna make me a better human. But like always, man, take pride in whatever you're doing. Don't let nobody tell you you can't do it. Cause remember, most people that tell you you can't do it is people that ain't doing it themselves. You know what I mean? So remember that. And like always, man, one love, love thyself. And on that note, peace.
Cause I was on YouTube. Watch the TY 38.